Hello, welcome to downTube. To run the program, you need to have Python installed on your system. If you have no idea how to install Python, you can follow a tutorial on the internet. The next step is to install all the required packages using pip. The list of these package names can be found inside the requirements text file. You can install packages by typing pip install package name on the terminal. Now the application is ready to run. You can add URLs to the url.txt file and run the program. Step 1. Right-click on the file where downtube.py is located and click Open in the terminal. Step 2. Using the command pydown2.py, you can run the program. If the above command is not working on your system, you can try python down2.py. All the downloads will save to your Downloads folder. Using the hotkey, Ctrl+C can be used to skip a download. If you want to download only one video or two, interacting with a separate text file can be not efficient. So you can download videos directly by using the command pydownTube.py-n and the number of videos. This will help you to download videos one by one without interacting with the url.txt file. Or you can use the command pydownTube.py-a and number of URLs to add URLs to the text file without opening it. You can clean the text file using the command pydownTube.py-c. And also you can combine these commands. pydownTube.py-c, then -a and a number will clean the text file before adding new URLs to it. If you need more help, you can use the command pydownTube.py-h to see available commands. Features of downTube. Download a bunch of videos easily. Support a variety of link types. High-quality video downloads. Support downloading playlists. And the best one is it is free and open source. This project is created as the final project of CS50's introduction to programming with Python.